This is the only right way to add custom thumbnails on YouTube Shorts. First of all, you need to design a thumbnail of 1080 by 1920 pixels. You can use Photoshop, Canva, Adobe Express or any other tool to design the thumbnail. After that, open any video editor. And you need to put your thumbnail as first few frames of the video. I would recommend a minimum duration of half a second. After that, export your video and upload it on YouTube either through a laptop or your mobile phone. Put all the information and publish it. Now I want you to pay full attention because this is the golden piece of information. To apply the thumbnail, you need to use the mobile application. And there are two different YouTube apps, YouTube Studio and YouTube Regular app. And the trick here is to use the YouTube Regular app instead of the Studio app. Click on your profile from the bottom right. Click on View Channel. Go to the Shorts tab, and this is the video I just uploaded. Click on these three dots and select Edit. Here you can see this Edit button, and it will give you the option to select any video frame as your thumbnail. So you have to move it to the start and select the thumbnail that you designed. Click here, click on Save. As you can see, the thumbnail has changed. Simple as that. Subscribe for more videos.